Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie says the government will be going across the country to educate the public about how to respond when there's an earthquake. Mr. McKenzie also warned persons to obey advisories when they are issued. TVJ's Anthony Lugg picks up that story.
When the earthquake hit just off the coast of Lucy on Tuesday, fear and panic gripped the country. Since then, some residents have argued that there's need for more public education so people can know what exactly to do when an earthquake hits.
Even though, we are adults and we are in the workplace, especially children who are in schools and so forth, they need to do that.
And at a meeting in Trelawney on Wednesday, Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie's message was no different. He says his ministry will be going across the country to educate citizens about how to respond to an earthquake.
Yesterday in Westmoreland, the reports that came to me that many students end up at the emergency section of the hospital suffering from panic attack. They were traumatized. And my 10-year-old grandson said to me last night, "Grandfather, all of the children them in the class, grandfather, didn't want to go back to school."
But even as he made that point, Mr. McKenzie also called for persons to take advisories seriously.
We have a tendency in this country, when you issue notices and you give people advice with them, say, "Chuck, nothing, God love we. We are a God-blessed country." And we ignore at our own peril. We ignore the warnings.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.